Hello everyone, welcome to PS Form and Design. Before we start, if you are wondering why are we using color paper, it is not because it looks cool, but because the paper already has color, we can use it as a mid-tone of the product color and it does half the work for us. Now we only have to worry about adding the shadows and the highlights. Today we are rendering coffee pot. We are covering three materials on this rendering: matte plastic, glass, and a metallic ring. Let's jump in. First, we start with matte plastic lid, the base and handle. Since plastic has a smooth, soft finish, we want a smooth gradient here, not the harsh reflections. So, start with a medium dark gray marker and just map out where the shadows sit and try to define the form considering light sources. This is to get quick volume. In this case, we are considering the light source is on the top left corner. Now for the glass body. This looks tricky, but believe me, it's not. To render glass, we need to consider the properties of glass material, that is transparency and reflection. To make it look transparent, we need to show the back side of the product. Take a light gray marker and draw a few soft vertical streaks to show the rear surfaces. Focus on where it starts and where it ends. Also add some strokes to show the front surface. Leave the thickness of glass while adding this marker strokes. Then take white pencil and shade along the left edge to give the body some roundness. And to show some reflections. Now, let's focus on the tiny metal ring in the middle. Metal is all about big contrast in a small space. Means you will get bright highlights and darker reflections in smaller areas. To get that, take dark markers and put a few strokes right along the surface of the ring. Also added a dark marker under the ring. White bright highlights are added later. To make it really pop, hit the top edge with a white gel pen. The contrast between the dark marker and pure white ink instantly makes it look like shiny metal. At this stage, to get proper surface and material definition and to get contrast, we blend lighter markers with darker markers. The ultimate finishing touch. A sharp white gel pen line to show brighter highlights, reflections. Finish with a fine liner with appropriate line weight and add cast shadow to make the product appear grounded. And that's pretty much it. By letting the blue paper handle the middle tones, you can render matte plastic, glass, and shiny metal in just a few minutes. Give this a try on your next sketch and let me know how it goes. Please remember, good rendering is not about fancy markers or the paper you are using. It's about training your eyes to see contrast between light and shadow. So keep observing. Comment your doubts below and what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.